Hello children, welcome back to the session. Today I am going to explain the last part of this lesson. Not last part of the exercise, last part of the lesson. That is applications of compound interest. In the last two videos we learned how to calculate compound interest yearly and half yearly. Now we are going to learn the applications of compound interest. What are the applications? First is to find the increase or decrease in the population. That is, at some particular rate as percentage is given, the increase or decrease, we can find the population after 1 year, 2 years or 3 years by using compound interest formula. We will do one example of this after explaining. See, second is to find the growth of bacteria if rate of growth is known, same way. And third is to find the value of an item if price increases or decreases in intermediate years. That is to find the value of an article either increasing or decreasing. Increasing plus like their compound interest formula, and if it is decreasing in the compound interest formula, instead of plus we have to put minus. For that also I will show you examples. Now let us see the example. See, first one, the population of a city was 20,000 in the year 1997. It increased at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the population at the end of 2000. That is, in the year 1997, the population was 20,000. We have to find the population in the year 2000. That means how many years difference is there? 3 years difference. 1997 to become 2000. What is the difference of years? 3 years. So we can consider 20,000 as P, principal. And rate of interest is given in the question, 5% increase, and N equal to 3 years. So we can take the formula of compound interest. Or instead of interest we have here population. That is only difference. So population at the end of 2000 equal to A equal to compound interest formula P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. Now substituting values, P is 20,000 multiplied by 1 plus rate of interest is 5 upon 100 whole cube, N is 3. So we have to write the whole cube. So equal to 20,000 multiplied by, here 5 can be cut with 100, so it will be 1 upon 20. So 1 plus 1 upon 20 the whole cube. Now inside the bracket simplifying, one integer 1 upon 20 can be written in improper fraction as 21 upon 20. 120s are 20 plus 1, so 21 upon 20. So 20,000 multiplied by 21 upon 20 the whole cube. Now this factor we have to multiply 3 times with 20,000. So 20,000 multiplied by 21 upon 20 multiplied by 21 upon 20 multiplied by 21 upon 20. Now calculating, see, here 3 zeros can be cut here with 20, and 2 also can be cut very easily with this number, and then finally 21 into 21 into 21 3 times multiply and 1 2 or will be left in. Then multiplying you will get the numerator 46,305 and denominator in the last 21 5 will be left after cutting. So this dividing 46,305 by 5 you will get 23,152.5. Now 0.5 we know how to find the approximate value of the decimal. After the decimal, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 with the previous digit to find the approximate value. So this 2 will become 3. So we can write it as 23,153. It is population means number of persons. We can't write in decimal. So here approximate value we have found. So the estimated population in the year 2000 will be 23,153. Okay. Now we will go to next question. See, a TV was bought at a price of rupees 21,000. After 1 year, the value of TV was depreciated by 5%. Find the value of TV after 1 year. That is, the TV was bought for rupees 21,000. Then after 1 year, we know that its value is decreasing. That is called a depreciation. So the value of TV was depreciated by 5%. Find the value of TV after 1 year. Here also we can Instead of increasing, it is decreasing. So we can take the compound interest formula. Instead of here in the formula plus, we have to minus because it is decreasing. So directly we will get the answer. So let us start. P equal to rupees 21,000. Principal is taken as 21,000. Rate of interest is given in the question as 5%. N equal to 1 year. So value of TV after 1 year equal to A equal to formula for compound interest. See the difference, it is decreasing. So we have to put minus sign. If it is increasing, we have to put plus sign here. So A equal to P into 1 minus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. Substituting the values, P is 21,000 multiplied by 1 minus R is 5. So 5 upon 100 the whole raised to 1. So here 5 can be cut with 100. So it will become 1 upon 20. So 21,000 multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 20 the whole raised to 1. So here bracket simplifying by taking LCM 1 into 20 minus 1 will be 19 upon 20. So 21,000 into 19 upon 20 the whole raised to 1. Whole raised to 1 means multiply it 1 time. So it's very easy to cut and get the calculation. After that we will get the answer 19,950. So value of TV after 1 year equal to 19,950. See, it was bought for 21,000. Due to the decrease in price after 1 year, its value is 19,950. We can do this question by another method also, that is the cost of TV was 21,000. Now we have to find the decrease in price, that is 5% of 21,000 calculate, and that value we get, we have to subtract from 21,000 as we have done in second exercise. Then you will get the value of TV after 1 year. Same answer you will get. We can do any method. Both the methods are correct. You will get mark for both the method. Now we are going to start exercise 8.3. Question number 1. Calculate amount and compound interest. Like that, 5 A, B, C, D, E, 5 questions are there. A, B, C, first 3 questions I am doing here. Last B and D, last 2 questions are very simple that you have to do as homework. So first question A. Principal rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per annum compounded annually. So see. So P principal equal to 10,800, R equal to 12.5%. So converting into improper, 12 2s are 24 plus 1. So 25 upon 2%. N equal to 3 years. So amount equal to formula for compound interest, A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. So equal to what is P? 10,800 into 1 plus what is R? 25 upon 2. So that 2 will go to denominator. So 25 upon 2 multiplied by 100 the whole cube. N is 3. So the whole cube. Now here it can be cut. 25 ones are 25 4s are with 100. So 4 2s are 8. So it will reduce to 1 upon 8. So 10,800 into 1 plus 1 upon 8 the whole cube. Now taking simplification of the bracket, so it will become 9 upon 8. So 10,800 into 9 upon 8 the whole cube. Now 10,800 multiplied by 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. Now this calculation I am showing here. See, 10,800 multiplied by 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. So we can do the cutting method that I have shown here separately. First 10,800 we can divide by 8 and exactly going we are getting 1,350. Now next we cannot divide it by 8 but it is divisible by 2. So dividing it by 2 we will get 675. 8 divided by 2 you will get 4. Now no cutting is possible. So 675 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Then you will get the answer 4,92,075 and denominator 8 4s are 32. So that number we have to divide by 32. Now we have to do the normal division for this number. We have to divide by 32. So by dividing you will get the answer 15,377.34. So you understood how the cutting is done. Now we get the answer here 15,377.34. So amount equal to 15,377.34. Now we have to find compound interest. How will you find compound interest? Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. What is amount? 15,377.34 minus 10,800. So after subtracting, you will get 4577.34. Okay. Now same way, we'll go to second question B. Rupees 18,000 for 2.5 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. Okay. So what is P? Principal equal to 18,000, rate of interest R equal to 10%, N equal to 2.5 years. In the previous video, I have done same question of same question example. That way we have to do, because here N equal to 2.5 years. It is a mixed number. Okay, we will proceed. Take the formula for compound interest. A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to N. So P is 18,000 into 1 plus R is 10%. So 10 upon 100, the whole raised to 2 integer 1 upon 2. So we cannot find 2 integer 1 upon 2 as a mixed number. So what we are going to do, first we will calculate the amount at the end of 2 years, 2 full years. We will calculate by compound interest formula. Then half year is left, that we will find separately after getting amount at the end of 2 years. So first we have to find amount at the end of 2 years. So A equal to, so 18,000 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 the whole square. We have not taken this half. You understood? So half we will do after this again. So whole square. So 10 upon 100, 1 0 can be cut. It becomes 1 upon 10. So 18,000 multiplied by 1 plus 1 upon 10 the whole square. Now bracket simplifying, it will become 11 upon 10. So 18,000 into 11 upon 10 the whole square. So 18,000 we have to multiply by 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10. And here very easy, 2 zeros can be cut. The remaining numbers multiplying, you will get 21,780. So 21,780 rupees will be the amount at the end of 2 years. This amount become the principal for next half year. So principal for next half year equal to 21,780. Now for this amount again we have to find interest for half year. Okay. So next interest for next half year equal to simple interest formula. Principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time upon 100. Principal is 21,780 multiplied by rate of interest 10%. Time is half year. So 1 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator upon 100. Now this calculating very easy. Zeros can be cut. This number dividing by 2 you will get 1089. So this 1089 is the interest for the half year. So amount at the end of 2.5 years equal to, what is the amount at the end of 2 years? 21,780 plus the half year's interest 1089. Adding we are getting 22,869. So this is the amount at the end of 2.5 years. One answer. Now we have to find compound interest. So first we have to find compound interest for 2 years. That is amount minus principal. What was the amount at the end of 2 years? 21,780. From that given principal 18,000 we have to subtract. Then you will get 3,780. This is the compound interest for 2 years. And compound interest for half year is this one. 1,089. These both adding you will get a total compound interest. So total compound interest equal to 3,780. This is the compound interest for 2 years, and 1,089 that is the compound interest for half year. Both these numbers adding we are getting rupees 4,869. Okay. Now we'll go to third question. Rupees 62,500 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. So 2 questions we have done, it was yearly. Now this question is half yearly question. So principal P equal to rupees 62,500, R equal to 8%. N equal to 1.5 years. We know that in 1 year, how many half years are coming? 2 half years. So 1.5 years means how many half years are there? 3 half years. Okay. So N equal to 3 half years. So here half yearly formula we have done. I have taught you half yearly formula. What is the difference in the formula? Amount A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 200 into whole raised to 2n. 2 places, 2 coming. So R upon 200 and whole raised to 2n. So that formula we have directly taken and we can substitute. So principal is 62,500 multiplied by 1 plus r is 8 upon 200 the whole cube. Why 2n? 2n means the number of years. What is the number of years? 3 half years. So directly, or you can find it as 1.5 year if you convert into improper fraction. 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. So 2n means 2 into 3 upon 2. So 2 can be cut, then again will be left 3. Or directly we can write here 1.5 years equal to 3 half years. So directly we can substitute 3. So 62,500 into 1 plus 8 can be cut with 200, you will get 1 upon 25, then whole cube. Now bracket simplifying, 125 are 25 plus 1, so 26 upon 25. So 62,500 multiplied by 26 upon 25 the whole cube. Now 62,500 we have to multiply with 26 upon 25, 26 upon 25, again 26 upon 25, 3 times. Then here also see the calculation I have shown here. See 62,500 multiplied by 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. First 62500 is exactly divisible by 25. So 2500 you will get. Again it is divisible by 25, then you will get 100. Again 100 is divisible by 25, you will get 4. Now these four numbers we have to multiply. 4 into 26 into 26 into 26, multiplying you will get 70,304. That answer is written here, 70,304. So amount equal to rupees 70,304. Now compound interest equal to amount minus principal. So 70,304 minus the given principal 62,500. Subtracting you are getting 7,804. So 7,804 rupees is the compound interest and 70,304 is the amount. Okay. So we will conclude today's video here. So A, B, C, 3 questions I have explained now. Last 2 questions D and D, that is also half yearly question, and N equal to 1 year. 1 year means 2 half years. That those 2 questions you have to do as homework. Now we will conclude today's video here. Thank you.